Hi ladies and gentlemen, something slightly different today. Because I'm staying in Matagorda, Lanzarote, it's really close to the airport, so we thought I'd take a ride down the cycle path, which is there. There's the trusty bicycle. End of the runway there. Gonna video some planes landing. There's a plane due in about 2 minutes. It is coming from Paris, so hopefully I'll get that. And I'll put the flight radar 24 details on the screen as well, so you can see the plane details. So please enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. There we go. There's the EasyJet coming in from Paris. I'm not sure if the camera will quite pick her up yet. I've moved a bit further down towards the end of the runway, which is there. The plane should be coming in over there. The next plane due in is a Neos, and that's coming in from Milan, and that should be here in 1 minute. Next plane due is 10 minutes away. It's coming from Gran Canaria. It's Binter Airlines. I'm filming these at different parts of the day, so if the lighting's different on each video, you know why. But I have moved back over this side, so the sun's behind me, so I don't get too much of a glare. Here's the flight from Gran Canaria. Binter Airlines, I believe. This one is a Ryanair coming in from Cork Island. The next plane here on approach is from Madrid, Iberia Express. Next one approach is from Amsterdam, Transavia, I believe the airline is. I think it's a 737.